Welcome back to the Marc Drouinaud Show, the tech show about hacking. In today's video, I'm going to cover the bombshell error that Google AI chatbot Bard made in its first actual demo. This is very interesting because Google is trying to take over the market space from ChatGPT at this current space. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. On Monday, Google announced its AI chatbot Bard, a rival to OpenAI's ChatGPT, that's due to become more widely available to the public in the coming weeks. But the bot isn't off to a great start, with experts noting that Bard made a factual error in its first very demo.
Are you serious?
A GIF shared by Google shows Bard answering the question, "What new discoveries from the James Webb Space Telescope can I tell my 9-year-old about?" Bard offers 3 bullet points in return, including one that states the telescope took the very first pictures of a planet outside of our own solar system. However, a number of astronomers on Twitter pointed out that this is incorrect and that the first image of an exoplanet was taken in 2004 as stated on NASA's website. So we have somebody who crafted a response, and this was their response. Not to be, well, actually a jerk, and I'm sure Bard will be impressive, but for the record, JWST did not take the very first image of a planet outside our solar system, tweeted astrophysicist Grant Tremblay. Bruce McIntosh, director of the University of California Observatories at the UC Santa Cruz, also pointed out the mistake. Speaking as someone who imaged an exoplanet 14 years before JWST was launched, it feels like you should find a better example, he tweeted. So, wow, they beating up Bard's answers. In a follow-up tweet, Tremblay added, "I do love and appreciate that one of the most powerful companies on the planet is using a JWST search to advertise their LLM. Awesome. But ChatGPT, etc., while spooky impressive, are often very confidently wrong. Will be interesting to see a future where LLMs self-error check." As Tremblay notes, a major problem for AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Bard is their tendency to confidently state incorrect information as fact. The systems frequently hallucinate, that is, make up information because they are essentially autocomplete systems. Rather than curing a database of proven facts to answer questions, they are trained on huge corpora of text and analyze patterns to determine which word follows the next in any given sentence. In other words, they are probabilistic, not deterministic, a trait that has led one prominent AI professor to label them BS generators. That's not what he said, but this is a PC show. Of course, the internet is already full of false and misleading information, but the issue is compounded by Microsoft and Google's desire to use these tools as search engines.
Focus on the present. Okay. Enjoy what's happening now.
There, the chatbot's answers take on the authority of a would-be all-knowing machine. Microsoft, which demoed its new AI-powered Bing search engine yesterday, has tried to preempt these issues by placing liability on the user. Oh wow, that's your response? Blame it on the consumer. Bing is powered by AI, so surprises and mistakes are possible, says the company's disclaimer. Make sure to check the facts and share feedback so we can learn and improve. The feedback is, you shouldn't blame it on me if I use your AI. That's the feedback. A spokesperson for Google, Jane Park, gave The Verge this statement. This highlights the importance of a rigorous testing process, something we're kicking off this week with our Trusted Tester program. We'll combine external feedback with our own internal testing to make sure Bard's responses meet a high bar for quality, safety, and groundedness in real-world information. So You know, as many things, when you first start off, there's gonna be some issues, but you know, you just got to keep working on it. Technology is not something that as soon as you do it, it works. A lot of these big tech companies that we know, Google, Facebook, you name it, they weren't what they are today the first time they set up. So cut them some slack, guys. What is your opinion? I want to know. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. I love you. Stay safe. See you on the next video.